Good morning.
This is one I have been wanting to test for a very, very long time. I was told a long time ago that this contains different stuff than this does. So, what I mean by stuff, I mean sweeteners. I know there's no way you can see this on the back here because it's freaking hard to read with my own eyes, but this has sucralose in it. That's the only sweetener this one has in it. It's just sucralose. However, if we look at this one, it shows that it has, maltodextrin, and it also shows it has sucralose. And look right there at the very corner there, it says sugar. And this Propel has, I'm trying to get it where you can see it in the focus here though, it's got sucralose in it and maltodextrin. So that the maltodextrin is like in a different area there. I did not see sugar on the back of this one, so I have no clue which one of these I should test. So I'm going to get all of them pretty soon at Walmart and see if all of them are the same or if some have sugar, because why does this berry have sugar in it? Anyway, we're going to test this one because I have plenty of these. We're just going to drink this at a reasonable rate. I'm not going to just crush it because I'm not that thirsty and it's cold. So what I'll do is I'll drink this and then start from that time that I finish it. Let's test our blade. There, ketone time. .2 is our starting. Man, I have so much editing to do. 5 weddings. The footage I got yesterday, obviously we got to keep up with these vlogs for 30 days. I got 20 something more to go. But I was going to share a story with you yesterday. So when I was leaving the event, I was driving Amanda's Explorer. And when I pushed the start button, it wouldn't start. And conveniently, like when you walked out of the doors to that little venue, that little where the water park was or whatever, the door's locked and no one would answer my call. So it was a bit of a mess. Long story short, we hooked jumper cables up to it and it started. I'm pretty sure the reason it wouldn't start and the battery died is I had my flashers on for like 30 minutes during the race, just so people would know that vehicle was part of the race and not just somebody parked in the middle of the road. But yeah, that really sucks. Just 30 minutes of having the flashers on and it killed the battery. Whatever. We're at the 30-minute mark after drinking a full bottle. .79, so that's beautiful. It means it definitely didn't raise our blood glucose. Let's see if it affected our ketones. We went up, if anything. Good deal. It's the hour mark. So let's get this blood tested. We're going to do glucose first, like always. 84. Feel like we came up a little bit, right? Our ketones just keep going up. I'm almost finished editing yesterday's video, and after watching it, I think I'm going to do things a little bit different on days that we test things to see if they're keto friendly. I'll probably just put like a card or a link into like the annotation above or whatever, so you can click onto that to watch that video. That way it's not like if you watch both of the videos, you're not watching like the vlog section and then like the testing section. I just don't want my videos to be extremely boring, and if you want the vlog type format, you can watch it. If you're just interested in the testing type format, you can watch that one. So I'm gonna just switch it up just a little bit. Propel in the bottle is definitely good. My ketones just kept going up. My blood sugar went down and then it went back up, but who knows what that's about. Anyway, we do need to test the packages and definitely need to understand why one of them has sugar and one doesn't. Propel shouldn't have any kind of sugar in it, so I don't even know what that's about. But I'll go to Walmart today and I'll pick up a pack of each one of them, and I'll read each individual label and see which ones have sugar and which ones don't. We'll test the one that says it has sugar in it. We'll test the one that doesn't have sugar in it. That way we get both of those packages, because hey, you might be thinking, oh, Propel is okay to drink any of them because you've seen this video or you have your own assumptions, but what if one of them definitely isn't good for keto? Anyway, we're actually over 2 hours. We're a little over 2 hours. I just realized what time it was, so sorry about that. That one stung a bit. $93. Blood glucose keeps rising. It's odd. I am starving though. .4. So final conclusion there, it definitely, my ketones just kept going up, so it did not affect my ketone levels at all, which is great. It was doing something weird with my blood glucose, so at first, it dropped it a little bit, and then it just kept rising and rising, and I am really hungry at the moment, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'm not an expert, to say the least, but at least it didn't affect our ketones. And all in all, I think you're okay with drinking Propel in the bottle, so we still need to test the packages, but in the bottle, I think we're totally fine. First time I'm eating today, we are gonna have this 2 ounces of sausage. I'm gonna have 3 eggs in it, about 2 tablespoons or so of heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, obviously. I'm gonna saute some bell peppers and onions real quick as well. I'll probably throw some bacon bits in there too, why not? But let's make that happen, because it's currently 10:45 and I'm starving. I really need to learn how to make omelets. It would be way prettier, but still tastes the same, right? I'm gonna put this together, like now. No, I don't want you to hold that. It's dirty. Ew. Ew. Come on. Watch out. You go out the door. All right, over here. Come over here. First try. All right. We are going to have to adjust it to go to the lowest settings though on the wheels though. Burger King fast food. I cannot tell you how much I hate mustard. Ruin my food, but I guess I have to eat it anyway. Today was a fun day. Spent it with the family, so we try to do something every Sunday with the family, and if I can, I don't film. So anyhow, for like lunch, we stopped by Burger King, and I had like the double bacon cheeseburger without a bun and a side salad. And then on our way home, we stopped at McDonald's, and I got a bacon McDouble without the buns, and I ate 6 chicken nuggets because I'm an idiot. However, I looked at my macros, and it still fit within the macros. Still not good that I ate that, but we're gonna end the day with a fat drink, and tomorrow is a full day of fasting. Time for some Keto Hot Chocolate. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of that, Hershey's Cocoa, 1 teaspoon of Truvia, which is stevia. We're gonna do it's about a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of this Kerrygo butter, and I'll probably do, I don't know, I'll just see how much it takes to pretty much fill it up. So it could be 1 or 2 tablespoons, it could be 4 tablespoons. We'll check it out once I finish it. I recommend blending all of your stuff up without the heavy whipping cream in there, because we've talked about that before, because you'll get way more foam than that. I know that's not that much foam, but if you had put that in there, it'd be like quadruple that much. If you don't have one of these magic bullets and don't want to spend like, I don't know, what is it, $50 to $100? I think I even seen one at Walmart for like $15. You could always get a shaker cup with one of those like metal ball things in there and just shake the crap out of that, or just some kind of container that has a good tight lid on it and just shake that. Remember when I said the heavy whipping cream, I didn't know how much I was going to use? I basically just, fill it up. So that's all the way to the top. I don't know, that might have been 1.5 tablespoons, it might have been 3. It doesn't really matter, because you're gonna get nothing but fat out of that, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so time for the taste test. That's pretty much on point. I think I could have probably used a little less water. I used close to 8 ounces of hot water. I think maybe 5 ounces or 6 ounces would have been key, but we just got to keep trying until we plug away. And that's kind of how you just got to make these keto hot chocolates or whatever things you're going to drink. Just try multiple different things until you actually like it. But hey, this is decent. It really is. But until tomorrow, keep it keto.